Welcome to Auto In this video, I will show you how to fix Bang and Olufsen BeoGrace earbuds not connecting to your device.
Fix 1. Check Bluetooth. Step 1. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on your device. Step 2. Ensure the device is within range. 10 meters, 33 feet. Fix 2. Restart earbuds. Step 1. Place earbuds back in the charging case. Step 2. Take them out again, they should turn on automatically. Fix 3. Forget and reconnect device. Step 1. Go to Bluetooth settings, forget, remove BeoGrace. Step 2. Put earbuds in pairing mode. Hold touch area 3-5 sec until LED flashes. Step 3. Pair the earbuds again with your device. Fix 4. Reset earbuds. Step 1. Place both earbuds in the charging case. Step 2. Press and hold the touch area on both earbuds for 10 sec. Step 3. Wait until LED flashes, red and white earbuds reset. Step 4. Repair with your device.